Struggling to land brand deals even though your content looks great? Or maybe you're getting views but no one's reaching out. Whether you're a beginner or already getting paid gigs, the truth is, brands don't just want pretty videos. They want strategy. Hey everyone, Kay here. Today with Vidpros, I'm sharing tips to help you succeed as a user-generated creator, whether you're just starting or already landing brand deals. So if you want to get noticed, book more collabs, and level up your content, let's dive in. User-generated content, or UGC, isn't about going viral. It's about being real, relatable, and creating content that brands actually want to pay for. Now here are the tips for success if you want to scale as a UGC creator. Tip 1. Understand what UGC really means. UGC is content created by everyday people, not influencers or celebrities, that brands use for their marketing. Think product demos, tutorials, unboxing videos, reviews, and lifestyle shots. But here's the key. UGC isn't about you. It's about the product and the story around it. So ask yourself, am I highlighting the product clearly? Because if the product gets lost in the visuals or doesn't show up until the end, the brand isn't getting what it paid for. Clear visibility helps audiences instantly recognize and remember what's being promoted. Is the brand message coming through? Brands have specific goals, like trust, education, or awareness. If your video doesn't reflect that message even subtly, it won't resonate or convert the way the brand wants it to. Would a stranger feel more curious or confident about the product after watching this? That's the real test. If someone outside your circle wouldn't be interested or feel reassured, then the content might not be strong enough to influence buying decisions. That's what brands are after. Genuine content that builds trust. Tip 2. Treat UGC like a business, not just a side hustle. Want to stand out? Show brands that you're not just a content creator, you're a content partner. That means having a clean, well-designed media kit, setting clear rates and deliverables, meeting deadlines consistently, communicating professionally, and yes, follow up after sending your videos. A quick let me know if you need alternate cuts or feedback shows you're collaborative and reliable. Brands love creators they don't have to chase. Be that person. Tip 3. Use what you have, but use it well. Here's the good news. You don't need a $3,000 camera or a massive studio. Your phone is more than enough. But execution matters. So shoot in natural light. Stand facing a window. It'll do wonders for your video quality. Stabilize your phone. A simple tripod or stack of books keeps your footage clean and professional. Mind your sound. Use a clip-on mic or record in a quiet room. Echo or noise can ruin a great take. High-quality visuals plus clear audio equals better retention and is equal to more brand trust. Tip 4. Start strong. Hook viewers instantly. In UGC, attention spans are short. If you don't grab someone in the first 3 seconds, they're gone. Try these quick hook examples. Here's what no one tells you about this product. I was today years old when I learned this trick. Unboxing this viral skincare product. Worth the hype? Then immediately show the product or a strong visual to keep the viewer locked in. Tip 5. Structure your videos. Don't just ramble. Great content has flow. Even a 30-second video benefits from structure. Here's a simple format. Hook. Grab attention fast. Problem. Set up the need or pain point. Solution. Show how the product helps. Call to action. Tell the viewer what to do next. This isn't just for YouTube. It works for TikToks, Reels, and even brand deliverables. Tip 6. Study what works, then make it yours. Scroll with intention. What videos in your niche are blowing up? What are they doing differently? Take notes on lighting and editing style, captions and text placement, how they start and end the video, how they showcase the product. Then add your personality to it. Don't copy, just adapt. Tip 7. Build brand relationships, not just one-off deals. One UGC video can land you a deal, but solid communication and good results can lead to multiple paid collabs and long-term contracts. Be the creator that delivers ahead of deadline, sends multiple takes or optional versions. Ask smart questions like, do you want voiceover or text overlay? Thanks the brand after posting. When you treat it like a real business, brands take you seriously and come back for more. Tip 8. Optimize your editing or let someone do it for you. Let's talk post-production. Clean, snappy edits can double your content's performance. But let's be real. Editing takes time and skill, and that time adds up fast. If editing feels overwhelming or if you're spending hours trying to cut and polish clips, it might be time to get help. Now let's do a quick recap. You don't need a big following. You need good storytelling. Clear video and sound matter more than fancy gear. Brands want creators who deliver, communicate, and care. Consistency plus quality content is equal to long-term growth. But of course, as you scale, editing can again feel like a lot. Most of the time, it eats up every creator's time. You don't want that to happen. Scale faster when you get several of your videos edited in one go. With Vidpros, you can get as many videos out there within your targeted date. No more chaos with endless cuts, retakes, edits, and choosing the right music. Our professional video editors at Vidpros got you covered. Reach out to us today for a free consultation.